Hello students, good morning. I welcome you for today's EVS 1 class. Students, in our today's EVS 1 class, we are going to revise lesson number 1, our environment. In lesson 1, our environment, we have studied things in our surroundings, that is our environment only, are divided in two groups, living things and non-living things. Living things are further divided in two more groups, animals and plants. We human beings come in group of animals. Next, here we have the difference between living things and non-living things. Let us see with the help of these points. Living things. Living things need food, water and air, whereas non-living things do not need food, water and air. Yes, children, we are living things. Not only we human beings, but plants, animals, we all are living things and we need food, water and air to survive. That is to live. Without these things, we cannot live. Whereas non-living things, they do not need food, water and air. Then second point, they can grow. Living things, they have their food which helps them to grow. Non-living things, they cannot grow. Third point, they can move. Now see children, living things can move. They can walk, they can run, jump. Yes, it is possible for living things to move on their own. But non-living things, they cannot move. Their place can change only if we pick it up and keep it in some other place. But they cannot move on their own. Fourth point, they can produce their young ones, means they can give birth to their young ones. It is possible for living things. They can produce their young ones, but non-living things, they cannot produce. That is, they cannot give birth to their young ones. Next, in this lesson, we have few filling the blanks. Let's discuss this filling the blanks, children. A1, things in our surroundings form two groups. They are living things and non-living things. I repeat, children, things in our surroundings form two groups. They are living things and non-living things. Let us read the spelling. L-I-V-I-N-G, living. I repeat, L-I-V-I-N-G, living. Non-living, N-O-N-L-I-V-I-N-G, non-living things. Once again, N-O-N-L-I-V-I-N-G, non-living. So, which two groups are there in our surroundings, children? Living and non-living. B1. The living things are of two kinds. Which are the two groups of living things, children? It is plants and animals. The living things are of two kinds, plants and animals. Plants, P-L-A-N-T-S, plants. I repeat, plants, plants. Animals, animals, animals. Once again, animals, animals. So, living things are of two kinds. Answer is plants and animals. C1. The place of a stone dash only if someone picks it up and moves it. Answer is changes. Once again, the place of a stone dash only if someone picks it up and moves it. Answer is changes. Spelling changes, changes. I repeat, changes, changes. So, the place of a stone changes only if someone picks it up and moves it. D1. The dash of the plants hold them in one place. Answer is roots. ROOTS, roots. ROOTS, roots. The dash of the plants hold them in one place. Answer is roots. Now see children, animals and plants both are living things, but one difference is there between them. Animals, they can move from one place to another. And why they move? In search of food and water. But plants, they cannot move from one place to another like animals. Now why they cannot move, children? Because the roots which are present under the soil hold them tight in one place. So that is why the plants cannot move. The roots of the plants hold them in one place. Next one, even dash and dash are a part of the environment. Water and air. Dash and dash are a part of the environment. Answer is water and air. WATER, water. WATER, water. And air, 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 air. I repeat, AIR, air. So, water and air are a part of our environment. F1. Animals like vultures and foxes eat the flesh of dead animals. Animals like dash and dash eat the flesh of dead animals. So, which animals, children? Vultures and foxes. Vultures spelling VULTURES, vultures. I repeat, VULTURES, vultures. Foxes, FOXES, foxes. I repeat, FOXES, foxes. So animals like vultures and foxes eat the flesh of dead animals. Children, they eat the flesh of dead animals, and at the same time they help us to keep our environment clean. Next, last filling the blanks. G1. Leaves dash trees, they too rot and get mixed in the soil. Answer is fall off. Leaves dash trees, they too rot and get mixed in the soil. Answer is fall off. Fall, fall. Off, off. Once again, Fall, fall. Off, off. Leaves fall off trees. They too rot and get mixed in the soil. Leaves from the trees, when they get dried, they fall off, yes, and then they rot and get mixed in the soil, and this helps to make the soil fertile. Next question, children. Write true or false. First one, living things bring about changes in non-living things. Answer is true. Living things bring about changes in non-living things. Answer is true. Children, you remember the example of fertile soil? Soil is non-living thing, right? But animals and plants, they are living things. And when remains of dead animals and from plants, the leaves, when they get mixed in the soil becomes fertile. So here living things are helping to bring changes in non-living things too. That is, animals are living things, plants are living things, and when remains of these dead animals and leaves from the trees, when these two things, when they get mixed in the soil which is non-living thing, it becomes fertile. So in this way living things are bringing changes in non-living things too. So the answer is true. Second one, movements of plants are easily seen. Answer is false.